Hello, everyone. Today is June 6, 2023. It's a Thursday and 5:30 p.m. I wanted to review a couple of trades I made in crude oil for $690 in between the two of them. And I'm going to explain you or show you why I took the trades in crude today. So basically, we do have here in this area here the 15-minute chart. I'm gonna change it to this 30 minutes now. So you see that there's a continuation in 30 minutes. I do have the 30 minutes in one screen in the 240 minutes on the other one. So I do have 6 monitors basically. And in one of them, I do have the 30 minutes, and in the other one, I do have the 240 minutes, and then the Renko charts in the others. So let me explain you what happened today, price-wise, or let me go through the trades and the possibilities also that I missed doing day trading today. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel. Also, like and share this video if you would. I'm very close to 1,000 subscribers, so it would be great if you can help me to promote this channel and increase the number of views. So yeah, with that, let me get started. And also remember to subscribe to Apex. The link is below in the description. There is a promotion until Monday, the 12th at midnight. So there's 80% discount, and I'm an affiliate on them. So if you get the 50%, you would contribute to this channel as well. Okay, so let's get started. You see that that today crude was overnight was moving to the upside right here, and then it started to fail at the 73.28 level. There was a double top right there, and then it started to come down to move below these levels, these moving averages right here. So everything started to collapse in the middle of the day, right? So you see here that the first trade I took was at this point, so very close to the opening. And when it was breaking, I'm looking at this price action from yesterday. So you see that yesterday price moved from here to there. You remember that I showed a one trade I made over there, and then now it went to this triple top actually, and then it started to come down. So this one is actually a supply area in crude right there. So first trade. So this one was considering the 30 minutes break as well. So you see that here I do have two things in the tick trend of 4 on crude. You do have, first of all, the break of this opening range. This is the 30 minutes opening range, and second, you do have here a week out of the moving average. So that one is the week out of the 34, and also the 18. So the red one is the 18. The yellow one is the 34, and we started to move down there. So what happened here is that I was looking at the low of this day, and then I had my stop or my target right down below this area. But started to move up a little bit, and in my charts were not showing signs of continuation at this point. I got a little bit anxious, and I just moved my stop very tight in there. Price at some point, you see, it started to move up there, up there, up there. And I should have put my stop right above that one at least, if not in the reversal right here. But I didn't. I just went. I just went a little bit nervous because I was very close to this wick. And if you see there, so if you consider this candle here, you do have actually a demand zone right in between that point there and this point here. So price was coming down below this area right there to that point there, and then it started to move to the upside right there. So when it left this candle to the upside, then I thought, okay, this one is going to probably move and bounce. So I just secured my profit there. So yeah, it was that is what I did, and that was $250 profit from that point to this point. Then it continued, obviously, and then since they were waiting for me to be out of the trade, so it moved below the low of yesterday's. So that one there reached that target, even past that target over there. Also, I was looking at this pivot point on this trade. So you see there that there's a pivot point right at this level. Let's see, probably around this area. Okay, not very well painted. So that there, and it was bouncing off of this pivot point right there. So since it didn't get the target down below here and it started to bounce, I just sold it. Again, $250 on that trade in crude. Okay, then price moved up. I did not take this one. This one would have been a good trade as well, right there, and then this one as well. So I did not take any of them. But I was looking at these levels. This level for me was very important, the previous low. There was a support here. There was and we were coming out of this support area. So a good entry would have been right there. And really started to cruise all the way down in this move. All the way down there. So I was looking at this level on the previous low, and I was a little bit distracted. So I did not see the move when it crossed, but then I catched it over there, and I just entered it. And this is not really any of the setups that I have, but I just took the entry right there, and I put the target at $440 to sell it right there. And then there was a week out of the 18, so there was a pivot. Not really a pivot, it was a continuation, a small wiggle there, and continued going down to this level. 69.11 was that level down there. So yeah, those are the two trades I made right there. If you see the 30 minutes, you see that there's a break at 71.54 right there, 71.54. Yeah, that one there, and started to move down very heavily in this half hour, and then took went down below to this supply area, demand area, and started to move back up again. So that at 69.13. And then the rest of the day, let me fix this one. you see that that this when I took this trade, momentum was already very, very extended, and this one here was actually right there, was crossing below this one. So this one is kind of like all with the rules, but this one was kind of like very intuitive. I thought that I was lucky to get that one. Normally, when I entered a trade that has been already past my setup, I don't take it, because normally what happens is that it comes back. In this case, it didn't. Probably it was because with the strength, came back below the previous day low, right at this level right there. So really was a lot of people were taken out of their stops right there. So this one was a very nice move. Okay. All right. So then the market started to move to the upside. Up there, you do have a trend reversal breakout right there, that it came back and do a double test, second test there, and put a pivot just above it. So you see that one there, right there. So that one there put a pivot there in continuation, and then came back, did test the S2 level right here, and then it started to move up again towards the VWAP. Okay. So, but I didn't take any of these trades. So this is actually the one that I took. So yeah, $790, and in Crude, that would be probably it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.